Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. The real man gathers strength after the loss and continues with the right resolution. I believe honestly that everybody needs to know how to strengthen himself up and recover after the defeat. This makes you a stronger person when you are able to collect the best potential that you are possessing back and continue forward with the positive mindset, with the right attitude toward the outer world. You should never be dependent on the things that are happening around you. Only that's the way that you can become successful and that you can influence the outer world. You always need to be the person in the middle of attention, because only through your doings, through your actions, through your enthusiasm, other people will follow. Only with the positive attitude, only with a positive mindset, you will be able to access to the greater information, to the greater people that will be surrounding you and pushing you forward. It's your duty, responsibility, and obligation that you reach for success and always readjust, plan, and again follow your destiny, follow the decision that you want to achieve the goals that you desire, because this will fulfill you and make you stronger. So always step back and never give up, continue forward, and you will become the man that you always wanted to be.